Hey everyone, it's Señorita Cupcake here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make the cookie dough from our new gourmet cookie kit. Super easy and super delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so all you'll need is 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened and 1 egg. Super easy, right guys? And then you'll need package A and package B from our cookie kit. So, in a KitchenAid mixer, now if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, you can go ahead and use a handheld mixer. It'll work perfectly fine. You're going to go ahead and put the butter right inside the bowl. Make sure it's softened. And then you're going to go ahead and get package A, and it's all labeled and easy to use for you guys, so you'll know what to use. Go ahead and tear it open, super easy. And open up the bag and just pour it inside the bowl. No need to sift or anything like that. It's already done for you. Okay, and then go ahead and start mixing until it gets nice and creamy together. Okay, so after a couple of minutes of mixing, you're going to want to take a spatula and scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything is nice and mixed together. Okay, and then go ahead and continue mixing for just a couple minutes more. Okay, so this is what you want it to look like, nice and creamy and well mixed. So go ahead and put it back into your bowl, and we're going to go ahead and add the egg. So you want 1 entire egg, just pour it in there, and then we're going to go ahead and mix it. And make sure it's mixed well together. Okay, now that everything is mixed, we're going to go ahead and add package B. So go ahead and tear that open. And again, everything is labeled so you know which package to add next. So go ahead and tear that open like I said, and we're just going to pour it right in. No need to sift or anything, guys. Super, super simple. So just pour that in there. Okay, so make sure that you start the mixer on low so the mixture doesn't come flying out of the bowl. And then you want to increase the speed little by little. Alright, in just a couple of minutes, look at that, our dough is ready. Super easy, guys. No need to chill the dough. Look at that texture. And the awesome part is you can see all those little vanilla beans inside. So like I said, no need to chill your dough. It's ready to roll out, ready to cut out, and then ready to bake. Alright guys, hope you saw how easy it was to make our cookie dough from our new Halloween Gourmet Cookie Kits. So make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and join the Señorita Sprinkle Squad by subscribing to our newsletter. That way you'll be the first to know when our kits launch. Talk to you guys soon.